Alright guys, so I don't know if there's any audio on this, so we're just, this is like a first person camera, so I literally have it like on where my eyeballs would be, so you guys can sort of see a first person. But I'm on a bike ride, and this will be its own little fun video. I am going to park, and I will film all the way there, and this will be a time-lapse, so starting the time-lapse now, and I will try not to get my hair, my hands, in the camera view. So, starting time-lapse now. Hey guys, so the purpose of this video was originally for the purpose because I needed to get out, so I had to get proof to my dad that I got out and went somewhere. So this is that's pretty much what this video is, but I just turned this into a video. So let me go around the track once, and that will be the proof that I got out. So let me just get on through here, and then I will start the time lapse and all the way back to my home. So starting time lapse now.